What's good, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Talking with Tonio. So in this episode, I'm going to give you all of my brand deal secrets. I'm going to tell you everything that the big YouTubers do not want you to know. And I'm going to tell you as a small YouTuber how you can get a brand deal today. So I'm super excited about this video, but I also want to tell you the sponsor of this video. So the sponsor of this video is Acuity Scheduling. I personally use it right now for all of my consultations. So if you're an online coach or entrepreneur or have any small business to where you need to schedule clients and you need to take payments, you can do that all on the app. And it has 1 million integrations. Okay, maybe 1 million is a little bit of an exaggeration, but it does have a ton of integrations. So if you already have a website or blog, you can literally just integrate it all the way to your website or blog. And if you have an email list, they give you opt-ins. Like, there's so many features with the scheduling app. It's amazing. But if you don't believe me, all you have to do is click the link down below. I'm going to give you guys a free 30-day trial, but I promise you it has taken my business to the next level. So if you want to check it out, again, just hit the link down below. But let's get into the video. Now, I really think it's funny that a lot of big YouTubers try to tell us small YouTubers how to get brand deals and sponsorships, and they have like 1 million subscribers. But I promise you, I'm in the trenches with y'all, because literally at the recording of this video, I have 739 subscribers. So you know I'm not bullshitting you guys. What I'm about to tell you in this video is valuable information that you need. Okay, now I do want to bring some transparency to you guys, because I know a lot of people, want brand deals and sponsorships, and they think if you get a brand deal or sponsorship, especially as a YouTuber, small YouTuber, you've arrived. But I want to be very honest with you guys, because just because you have a brand deal or sponsorship doesn't necessarily mean that you actually have a good relationship with the brand or sponsor that may be sponsoring your video. And here is why. Most brand deals or sponsorships is really just affiliate marketing. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, essentially a brand or company will give the YouTuber or influencer an affiliate link, and that YouTuber or influencer would get a small commission every time someone signs up through their promo code or affiliate link. But me personally, I'm in the entrepreneurial, business and finance niche or digital marketing niche. A lot of the products and services that I use already come with some sort of affiliate link. So it's not like I actually have a really good relationship with the brand or company, but since they already give you an affiliate link, I can use that affiliate link to share their products and services, because I'm already using it and I get a small commission from it. But it doesn't mean I actually have a good relationship with this brand or company, if that makes sense. I just really wanted to share that with you guys, because I promise you, getting brand deals and sponsorships in 2020 isn't really that deep. And as a small YouTuber, the majority of you guys aren't driving enough views or traffic to your channel for these affiliate links to even matter. Because if you're not driving enough traffic or views to your channel, no one is clicking your link and you're not gonna make any money. Now, the reason why I will say that you should put these links in your description box or on your website or blog post anyway, because when you do blow up, if you already have these links in your description box or on your website or social media post, you're already future proofing yourself for income to be made. So again, right now I am a small YouTuber like you guys, but if this video for whatever reason blows up, right, and people start clicking this link, I'm already prepared to start generating income from this link. So I hope that, that kind of cleared some things up for you guys. So you kind of understand how brand deals and sponsorships work. Now I'm going to tell you some good resources to use to start, using these affiliate links and to help you get you set up for these brand deals and sponsorships. Now, the first thing I would do if I was trying to get a brand deal or sponsorship is go ahead and check out the brands or companies that you're already currently using, because 9 times out of 10, especially if it's a subscription-based service, they probably have some type of affiliate link already embedded into your account. So you want to make sure that you check through all your subscription-based accounts to see if they already have an affiliate link associated to it. The reason why you want to do this is because you're already genuinely using the product or service, and people can tell that you're just trying to make a brand video just to make a brand video. If you don't really use the product or service, it's just super disingenuous. Ooh, that's a college word. I love using college words, right? It's just not authentic, and people can really see through that in 2020. So you want to make sure that you're sharing product or services that you're already currently using. And again, it's a lot easier to share things that you already like and love with other people, and they can see that in your video. So you always want to be genuine and authentic when you're sharing a product or service. Now, for 99.9999% of you guys, my first tip should be able to get you a brand deal today, especially as a YouTuber, because if you have any service like vidIQ or TubeBuddy, they already have affiliate links based in your account. So literally you could just make a sponsored video by vidIQ and TubeBuddy and just let them know, hey, you use TubeBuddy, use my link, right? Super easy. But I'm gonna play devil advocate, right? I'm gonna say you're in a niche. I don't know what niche this could be, but you're in a niche to where, you know, my first tip does not work. There is no subscription-based service that you use that is specific to your niche, or there's no company or brands that give affiliate links. This is what I would do. I would go to Instagram, find a small brand or company that sells a product or service that's specific to your niche. I would buy that product or service first, try it out, see if I really, really like it, see if it's impactful to my life. Then I would go back to that company and say, hey, listen, I recently bought a product or tried out your service. I love it. I would love to share it on my YouTube channel or Instagram. You know, is there anything that we could work out to where I could work with you guys and I either get like an affiliate link, or if I sell any product or service using my promo code, you know, I would get a small commission for it. And that's what I would do if I was trying to get a brand deal, you know, if I couldn't use just my own affiliate link that was already given to me. That's what I would do if I was in your shoes. So I'm sitting here editing and I realized that I forgot to say this in the video, and I think is extremely important. You guys, as a small YouTuber, patience is a virtue, okay? Now, I know we live in this microwave society. We want everything right now, but I promise you, as a small YouTuber, if you put in the work, you have an engaging community, and you have a specific niche, I promise you, with time, brands and companies will reach out to you. And honestly, the proof is in the pudding, as they say. Again, if you have the audience, the brands will come to you. You won't have to do any additional work. You won't have to reach out for them. They will reach out for you. So sometimes patience is gonna be your best bet when it comes to brand deals and sponsorships, but I promise you they will come. But I just wanted to say that for you, because I know, again, we live in this microwave society, but you know, patience, man. Just be patient. I promise you, everything you want, you know, from YouTube and social media, if you put in the work, it will come to you. Okay, let's get back into the video. I hope that you guys really got some value out of this video. And again, if you haven't checked out Accruity Scheduling, it is by far the best scheduling app I have used for my business. So again, check out the link down below, 30-day free trial, check it out. And I am still doing one-on-one coaching. So if you haven't booked your one-on-one coaching with me, if you want me to do a YouTube channel review, or if you have any entrepreneur ideas, or you need to get started with your business, but you don't really know where to start, I'm your guy. I can help you out. So book your consultation today. But if you like this video, check out some of my other videos. I'm sure you will love them. Until next time, be easy.